Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your device meets requirements. 64-bit CPU, at least 4 GB RAM, and Android 9 or newer. Once done, enable unknown sources so the emulator APK can install. You then transfer the Xbox BIOS and any legally owned ROMs into a dedicated folder. This makes them easy to find. Make sure file names match emulator expectations and that storage permissions are granted. This prevents read errors later and gets you immediately ready. You now open the emulator and load the BIOS file to initialize system firmware. After that, set the default BIOS path so you don't repeat it. Next, tweak performance. Select appropriate CPU cores, set internal resolution to balance quality versus speed, and enable the frame limiter to avoid stutters. You should also map controls, either on-screen touch or a paired Bluetooth controller, so inputs feel responsive. These steps are crucial because they directly affect compatibility and game performance. You launch the game and watch performance metrics. FPS stability and audio synchronization tell you whether settings are correct. If the app crashes or audio drifts, try switching renderers, lowering internal resolution, or disabling advanced shaders. These changes often resolve compatibility issues. Once done, clear the emulator cache and reapply control mappings if inputs misbehave. If problems persist, re-download a clean BIOS or test another ROM. These final actions usually fix persistent failures and get you back to playing quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.